guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marshayla, and if you aren't new, thank you so much for returning for another video. I really appreciate you. Okay, period. If you're new here, girl, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today she's giving something different. Okay, it's giving graphic liner, it's giving pop of color, it's giving spring, it's giving ready for the summer, it's giving hot girl summer. Okay, it's giving, and I love it. I found the inspo on Pinterest per usual, but I added my own twist per usual. And if you like this look, please continue to watch to see how I achieved it. But before we get into it, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get into the makeup. Purr. She's giving Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, purr, as she should. I'm gonna go in with my Mario Badoo's lip balm, moisturize them lips, cause girl, they be chuddy. And we're gonna hop right into the brows. And ride them like a rodeo. I got my tongue out like, poke it out like. Here is the picture that I found on Pinterest for inspo. Let's zoom in. She's giving very much graphic liner, okay? I like it a lot. And to achieve this graphic eyeliner look, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Vivid Brights Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm using the 3 colors, Vivid Escape, Vivid Halo, and Vivid Petal. Megan said, Miss Maxine said we can sing wild. Okay, period, Miss Maxine. I was watching Megan Thee Stallion's Hottie Season vlog type thing she does on her YouTube, episode 11. It was 15 minutes long. I definitely enjoyed it. You guys should definitely check that out. But now I'm just starting off with the yellow part of the eyeliner in the shade Vivid Halo. And I'm just gonna wing that thing. Nah. Now I'm going over the yellow with the shade Vivid Petal, and I'm just gonna make another wing eyeliner right on top of that yellow. Now I still want that yellow eyeliner to show, so I'm gonna go back over the pink liner that I made with the yellow liner. I made it super thin just for this specific reason. I'm gonna take my super small concealer brush just to clean it up a little bit, give it a nice cleaner edge, and then I'm gonna go in with the green eyeliner shade, which is Vivid Escape, and draw like an open cat eye, like almost close the cat eye, but not really. Giving graphic, she's giving something she never gave before, and I'm here for it. Purr. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, what? She's giving something she never gave before. Okay, I'm here for variety. I'm here for creativity. Okay, well, I did get this off Pinterest, but I did put my own twist to it. Okay, so cute. Okay, let me finish the rest of my face. It is currently can you see that? 2:05 in the morning. And I'm in here doing a makeup video for y'all. It's the dedication for me. Okay? Sleep for what? Sleep for who? I gotta make this content. You did? You did, you did, you did.